Hey there. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of buyer behavior, specifically through the lens of the limbic map theory developed by Hans-Georg Häusel. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or a psychology student, understanding this theory can fundamentally change how you approach your audience. So, what exactly is buyer behavior? Simply put, it's the study of how individuals make decisions to spend their available resources on consumption-related items. This includes what they buy, why they buy it, where they buy it from, how often they buy it, and even how they evaluate their purchases post-purchase. Now, the limbic map theory takes this a step further by mapping out the emotional brain, also known as the limbic system. In layman's terms, it's a neuroscience-based model that helps us understand the emotional triggers behind buying decisions. So picture this. The limbic map is divided into three main emotional systems: balance, stimulants, and dominance. Balance is all about security, reliability, and order. People driven by this system prefer brands that offer safety, trustworthiness, and tradition. Think about insurance companies and financial services. They build their entire brand around these values. Stimulants, on the other hand, is the emotional system that craves adventure, novelty, and pleasure. These are the thrill seekers, the early adopters. Brands like Red Bull or GoPro thrive here, offering excitement and new experiences. Finally, dominance is about power, control, and status. Consumers in this category are drawn to luxury brands, high-end tech, and anything that communicates superiority. Think Rolex, Tesla, and high-end fashion brands. So, how does this theory translate into actionable insights for marketers? It's all about aligning your brand messaging with these emotional triggers. If you're marketing to an audience driven by balance, emphasize your brand's reliability and trustworthiness. For stimulants-driven consumers, highlight the novelty and excitement your product offers. And for those motivated by dominance, focus on status and exclusivity. But it doesn't stop there. The limbic map theory also helps in segmenting your market more effectively. By understanding which emotional system your target audience primarily operates within, you can tailor your marketing strategies to resonate more deeply with them. Let's not forget, buying decisions are not always rational. Often emotions play a significant role, sometimes even more than logical reasoning. The limbic map theory provides a structured way to tap into these emotional undercurrents, giving you a competitive edge. So next time you're crafting a marketing campaign or developing a new product, think about the limbic map. Are you addressing the need for balance, stimulants, or dominance? This theory offers a robust framework to ensure your brand resonates emotionally with your audience. And there you have it. A deep dive into buyer behavior through Hans-Georg Häusel's limbic map theory. Use this knowledge to make more informed and impactful decisions in your marketing efforts. Thanks for tuning in.